Hello, welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY, and today we are making a Christmas or holiday wreath made completely from dollar store items. The wreath form, which you can see on the back, and also all the Dollarama balls. So I'll take you through how I did this. But if you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. But let's get to the Christmas holiday DIY. The wreath took around probably almost 70 ornaments with all the different sizes. It cost probably $30 to $40 from the Dollarama crafts. But start by removing all the tinsel from your wreath form. Then just start gluing the balls all over the wreath. I started at the very center and just worked my way around. Keep gluing the ornaments around the wreath form, just keep filling in the space with the bigger ornaments first. Then start putting some of the smaller ornaments in between the gaps. I also took the tinsel and just wove it around the ornaments to fill in the space, and then put more small of the little balls in between the different ornament sizes. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions on how to do the tutorial. Have a very Merry Christmas and happy crafting!